Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Your AT&T account must be active and the device paid in full or fully satisfied under contract. Once confirmed, get the MA, dial *#06# or open settings right arrow about. Make sure you have the account holder's name, billing ZIP, phone number, and purchase date or receipt ready because AT&T verifies identity. Now access At&t's device unlock portal or prepare to call customer support. This starts the formal unlock request process immediately. Once logged into the AT&T device unlock portal, enter the MA and confirm the account holder details exactly as billed. Mismatches delay approval. Choose a permanent unlock for eligible phones and double-check the phone number and email for AT&T replies. After submission, you'll get a confirmation ID and an estimated processing window, typically 48 to 72 hours. If you hit an error, note the specific message and take a screenshot. That evidence speeds agent assistance if you need to escalate. When AT&T approves, they'll email instructions or perform a remote unlock. Sometimes they send a code. Once you receive it, power off the phone, insert a non-AT&T SIM, and power on follow on-screen prompts or enter the code provided. Make sure you update carrier settings if prompted. If it fails, reboot and retry with a different compatible SIM, and if still locked, contact AT&T support with your confirmation ID and screenshots so they can resolve provisioning or code issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.